A historic blizzard slams the Northeast today, bringing major cities to a standstill.
Yeah, Providence, Rhode Island set an all-time snowstorm record with almost 3 feet of snow. Places like Babylon on New York's Long Island saw record accumulations with at least 30 inches. This nor'easter, now one of the 10 biggest storms in New York City history.
We are plowing streets and doing everything we can to keep our roadways clear so that emergency vehicles can get through. These are dangerous conditions.
The storm also canceling more than 5,600 flights today.
Yeah,
you can see why with that kind of conditions.
Yeah, quite a winter blast they had.